Hello there! Thank you very much for joining us today in this Azure how-to video. Today, we learn how to stay connected and in control of our Azure virtual machines while we are on the go, using the Azure mobile app. And for that, we have the awesome Ilse Terrazas here with us that is going to show us all about that. So, thank you very much for being here, Ilse.
No, thank you for having me here, Leon. I'm really excited to show you how to manage your VM on the go. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, so I'm just going to show you real quick. I have Azure Alerts set up in my environment just to make sure that I can keep an eye on things. And actually, throughout the morning, there's one specific VM that has been firing for a while. So I'm just going to dig into the alert, dig into the VM itself, and I can see that the CPU usage is pretty high. So sometimes you can just solve this by simply restarting the machine. So I'm going to go ahead and take that quick action from the Azure mobile app.
Oh, that's very cool. So basically, you found the VM in the mobile app. You could see the metric chart and find that spike visually via the chart. And then you have those commands available for you that you can just in one click restart that VM from your phone.
Exactly. It's super easy. And since I'm actually still a little bit worried about this VM, I'm going to go ahead and favorite it. And I can actually favorite the chart itself too. So I'm going to go ahead, favorite this one, favorite the VM. And what this does is that it makes it appear in my home screen. So whenever I turn on the app, you can see it there immediately.
Oh, cool. So the things that are important to you, you can put them front and center.
Exactly.
And that VM is only one tap away and the chart is always in your face, right?
Exactly. And then even though it's already here and it's ready to go, I do have a meeting that I have to go to that I can't really look into my phone. So if you don't mind, I'm going to go ahead and add you as an owner of the VM so you can take care of it in case something horrible happens.
I will be glad to do it.
Awesome. So we have access control support in the Azure mobile app itself. You can just go here, add it. I trust you a lot, so I'm going to add you as an owner. And then I can just look up your user here.
Sounds good. I'll take good care of it.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So I can just add it. You can see it's adding, and it should be done pretty quick. Yep, there you have it. You have access to the VM, and you can take care of it while I'm not around.
That's great. So basically right now I can manage all the things that you were doing in your phone I can do in mine with that particular instance of the VM.
It's really, really easy. And actually from the phone itself, you can even access your Azure Cloud Shell. The files are persistent across all of Azure Cloud Shell, so you can access any scripts that you already have and just execute them on.
Oh, basically, if I have any emergency and I have any script that I like that I put in the portal or I put in the shell, I have it on my phone. So in case of any emergency, I have at least that tool available for me to use.
Exactly. It saved me out of a couple of problems before.
That's nice. Yes.
Yeah, awesome.
I can see that. So thank you very much, Ilse. So are you going to that meeting then?
Yeah, I am. So now that I show you all of this, just really quickly a recap showing you how to manage a VM from the Azure mobile app or access it quickly and even talk a little bit about the Cloud Shell. So pretty excited that we got to do this.
That's really great. So I'll let you go to that meeting. Thank you very much, Ilse.
Thank you, Leon.
And thanks every one of you. If you haven't, please try the Azure mobile app. It's available for iOS and Android, so try it and let us know what you think. Leave us a comment in the video or follow us on Twitter. And look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much.